Ever wondered what it takes to land a top career in the booming data industry? Or how a single skill, like SQL, can unlock countless opportunities in this field? SQL isn't just for coders. It's a must-have skill across various data careers, from analysts to cloud architects. Whether you're aiming to analyze data or design complex databases, understanding SQL is your first step. A data analyst plays a crucial role in making sense of large data sets. They work to uncover trends, solve problems, and help businesses make data-driven decisions. But how do they manage to sift through all that information? SQL. Role of SQL. SQL is a data analyst's bread and butter. It allows them to pull data from databases, perform complex queries, and make sense of massive data sets. Want to know how many customers purchased a product in the last month? With SQL, they can get that information in seconds. By filtering, sorting, and joining tables, SQL enables analysts to generate reports that provide valuable insights. Whether it's for querying data or managing complex cloud infrastructures, SQL is crucial for building reliable, cloud-based data systems. As you've seen, SQL is the common thread that ties together all these data careers. Whether you're just starting out as a data analyst or aiming to become a cloud data architect, mastering SQL will give you the tools you need to thrive in the data industry. The versatility of SQL means that it will always have a place in data analysis, machine learning, business intelligence, and much more. So, are you ready to dive into the world of data? If you're interested in learning SQL or improving your skills, check out the link to Dr. Cecilia Allison's SQL courses at jaffayank.com and subscribe to her SQL YouTube channel to learn SQL and for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.